5 money beliefs to break for 2023. Hi, I'm Kira from Scrunchify, and we are mamas sharing personal finance tips to help you change your mindset about money and help you design your life the way you want it. Belief number 1 to break in 2023. Debt is not a trap. It is a temporary situation, some more temporary than others. With a repayment plan, you can change your situation. You do not need to be good with numbers to be good with money. Nowadays, everything is automated with apps that will manage budget for you. All you need to know is how to add and how to subtract. My parents were not good with money, so I'm not good with money. Your parents' money choices are not your choices. You are free to change your life as you want. It takes money to make money. You can make money so many different ways. You can use free resources, you can use debt, or you can use networking to help you make money. The only thing that money really takes is time. I can never reach financial independence. FI is all about financial security. When you are on your journey, each opportunity will bring you more security and flexibility to help you design your life the way you want. If you have enjoyed the show, please share with another Scrunchy Mama and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. For show notes, resources, and links to our other video shorts, check out our website, scrunchify.com.